Hello, buckos. Welcome to the Tamil Cooking in English YouTube channel. I created this channel for people with little to no experience cooking and will be showing recipes as simply as I can. On today's episode of Tamil Cooking in English, we'll be learning how to make Jamaican curry chicken. First off, you'll need 3 boneless, skinless chicken thighs, cut into bite-sized pieces. Some people like to wash their chicken before, but I've never washed my chicken and nothing bad has happened to me and I'm lazy, so I'm not going to do that. Next, you'll want to cut up 1 carrot, 1 potato or a bunch of these small potatoes, 1 onion, half a green onion, and dice a little bit of ginger, and 2 garlic cloves. For the marinade, add the chicken into a bowl, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, 4 teaspoons of Jamaican style curry powder, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning, 1 Scotch bonnet pepper, or more if you want it spicier, the green onion we cut from earlier, 3 things of thyme, and a little bit of oil. Mix it all up, cover the bowl, or transfer the chicken into a Ziploc and let it chill in the fridge for like half an hour. Put the pot on the stove and put it at medium-high heat. Once it's warmed up, add oil and a couple teaspoons of the curry powder and let it cook in there for a bit before adding your onion, garlic, and ginger. Let these saute for a bit until the onions soften up. Once they do, add your chicken, give her a mix in, and just wait. You just want the chicken to catch some color, so maybe like 6 or 7 minutes. Next, add your potatoes and carrot and mix it around for a bit, about 5 minutes. Add water to the pot, just enough to cover all of the stuff in the pot. Let it come up to a simmer, close the lid, and let it cook for 20 minutes. Take the lid off and let the curry cook while giving it mixes until the gravy is thickened. This should be enough for about 2 people to eat, or 1 really hungry person, or 3 people that maybe already ate and want a snack. And there you have it, an easy Jamaican curry. Now, you can probably find better recipes of more experienced cooks on the internet, and they probably are much better, but this is the easiest way I could do it and it still tastes great. Bye. Love you.